Hello, guys. How are you? Hope you're all doing fine. So, we are here today with our first stock analysis, and we'll be talking about a stock that has recently declared its results. Though the results were below expectations, but this is still a very potent stock to be a multi bagger in the near future. So the question is whether you need to buy this or sell this or hold this. And the stock we're going to talk about today is IOL Chemicals. IOL Chemicals, whose current market price is 409.75 and the 52-week high is 424.35, with its 52-week low 146.30. So here I have with me someone who will be talking about the results and explaining you the near prospects of the company.
So, talking about IOL Chemicals, it's a great company whose main focus is on chemicals and pharmaceuticals with ibuprofen as its main component. As we know that government has lifted its exports upon paracetamol and ibuprofen, IOL Chemicals has 30% of its foreign share in the US market. Now let's focus on the chart of the shares. It's a 3 month stock and we can clearly check out it has been rising from the downwards of 160 low to 400 upon going top towards 400. It was a quite volatile volume in the stock. As I rightly said, the company did started to export the chemicals as well as its ibuprofen product in the foreign market, as it's captured more than 30% of its shares, with getting its highest ever Indian sales by in the foreign company by the Indian share. So main it recently it also got EU GMP certification for ibuprofen, lamotrigine and metamorphin hydrochloride products, which is a great success for this company. And after getting this certificate, we can clearly see the rise of this share towards 424 52-week high, and we will probably be seeing more better things to come. Now we have to focus on the results. Results did come 2 days ago, and these results were not according to the expectations as by the market, but but overall the results were quite great. Now let's focus on the results. As you can clearly see, the revenue from operations have increased nearly 5% from its quarter to quarter base results to 441 crores, and which shows the overall competency of the company being increased. Overall, its revenue was greatly impacted as due on lockdown on 23 to 24th of March, which did impact its revenue. Still, overall, the company did post great results from its peer group, showing that it has great potential. Its year on year profits have been greatly increased. We can see it greatly from easily you can see profit from the period did increase from 236 crores to 361 crores on 31st March ending, which clearly shows the great potential of this company. Main expenses of the company has been increased due to employment benefit expenses. As we all know, during the pandemic period, there has been given a great employment benefit schemes to the employees so that they can be retained by the company and given the full of their great of their we can say factory measures and livelihoods and everything we can see of. Moreover, the thing needs to be focused upon the finance cost. See the tremendous decrease in the finance cost of the company. This is due to the decrease, and it has paid off its 205 crore of debts, which is really tremendous work, making it a debt-free company. This is one of the very rarest of companies in this pharma companies to be debt free. Moreover, the company's interview given by Vijay Gupta, the CEO of the company, and he has said with best of its work it has been making in plants at 100% utilization with best of employees employed, and with the near future being quite great. And moreover, on seeing the balance sheet of the company, we can really see the asset column as well as the liability column. See the liability column. First of all, let's focus on it. The main liability of the company is trade payables. All the main financial cost of the company has been so reduced, making a company a great company. See the asset column of the company. See the amount of company plant and equipment. See the manner of the increase in its equipments, making it a more efficient company. And let's see the bank balance. None of the company has such bank balance as this company. It nearly increased to 10 times. How can it be so potential? Definitely, it's a great success of the company. I recommend you to definitely buy this stock at current market price of 409.75 with short term target of rupees 440 with stop loss of rupees 384 and a long term target of rupees 794 in 5 months. Oh, it looks so difficult in such a breakdown of the market, but definitely this is a main multi-bagger stock at such a low price. Man, this is a worthwhile investment.